Hey guys, Crystal Thompson here for Pink and Maine. I have a very clean and simple card using an intricate die to make this sweet card. We are going to begin by using the Fall Friends stamp set and die set along with the basket cover die. So let's get started. With the basket cover die, we are going to die cut a piece of white cardstock, and this is 5.5 by 4.25. We're going to run that through our die cutting machine and remove all the pieces. I love the Pink and Maine dies because one, they're pink, and two, they cut really clean. You can see there are no snags, and I just ran it through my die cutting machine once. Once we've cleaned that out, on the back side of the die, we are going to add some adhesive. I'm using liquid adhesive. I will clean my surface, so be sure to do it in a surface you can clean, or you can use spray adhesive to make this really easy. Now for the front part of the card, we are going to cut a rectangle from the front part of that cardstock. I'm going to be using my trimmer, and you can use any trimmer really that you can lift up, and I will be using the 1-inch mark as my guide, where to stop and where to end. I'm going to remove the excess. Got a little snag, I'm just going to clean it up with my scissors, and this is so nice because I can hide it because we're going to layer some of these stamps. Next, we're going to stamp the sentiment Autumn Greetings using a brown ink, and you can heat emboss or use any different color you like. Now with foam adhesive, I'm going to place some strips onto that card panel, and I'm going to place this card panel over the basket cover die. I really like that clean look, yet it gives it dimension. Now we're going to stamp the cute little critter from Fall Friends along with the sunflower, the mushroom, and the pumpkin. And I placed it on my block, and I kind of had a mishap there, so I'm going to stamp it again. And I have enough room on my cardstock to stamp all my images together. Now, using a selection of Copic colors, I'm going to color these images. I'm only coloring the ones that I had fully stamped. I'm going to speed up the video so you can see the actual coloring. Once I was done coloring, I added the dies from Fall Friends using washi tape to secure them. Once everything's been cut, we're going to start layering these little stamps on our actual card. Going to place some flat adhesive on the ones that are going in the back and foam adhesive on the images that are going in the front. Going to place our little critter in the center and make focal point of the card, and finishing up with those mushrooms. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much. Have an awesome day.